Hello friends, I am Mrs. Samuel and you are watching Tips Hub. In this video, I will tell you how can you increase the life of your liquid foundation. For this, you will have to say goodbye to your makeup sponge. So let's start the video. Makeup sponges help you to apply makeup but not without a cost. They usually soak up more liquid foundation than what ends up on your face. The outcome: you waste foundation and keep replacing your sponges. But if you get a foundation brush, you will see you waste less foundation and it allows for a more equal application of foundation than a sponge. I hope you like this video. If yes, then don't forget to like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.